Hello guys, I'm Moid Ahmad, an English teacher and a trainer. Guys, welcome to another video. Guys, instead of giving you a few pieces of advice how you can improve your English speaking, how you can get fluency in your speech, or how you can have a better communication skill in English, in this video I am only going to make you believe that learning English speaking is easy. It's not difficult. But guys, I know here you may have a confusion. You may have an objection that why I am stating this in this video, though I sometimes say in my videos that it is difficult. So guys, let me tell you that though for you it may be a little bit difficult for some time, not for always, and finally and later it becomes easier. And whenever I say in my videos or at any other place that learning English speaking is difficult, I mean to say that you should not sit idle or you should not be lazy if you want to learn English speaking. And guys, there are two reasons why I have chosen this as the topic of the video. Reason one, there are some, they quit their learning, they give up their learning, they leave their learning, and there are some, they cannot even start their learning when they come to know that learning English speaking is difficult. So hardly any time we trainers say in videos that learning English speaking is difficult, and this is the reality. It is true. We have to say sometime that it is difficult to when we want to say something other, when we want to say something else. And guys, I know that what is going on right now in your mind. You are thinking that the question is learning English speaking easy or is learning English speaking difficult, not be replied in yes or no. So guys, I would like to say that please don't make haste. Both of the answers, either I say yes or I say no, not going to be useful for you. And you know that we trainers, we teachers always like to teach the things useful for you, useful for you. And guys, in fact, it is easy, it is not difficult at all. But this is the fear found at the time of learning something force the person to declare it difficult. And when you want to learn something, when you want to do something new and you cannot start or you cannot continue or you cannot complete, you unknowingly, you unconsciously declare that difficult. But guys, the big question is it proper to say anything difficult? Is it proper to declare anything difficult if you or I cannot do that? So guys, once again I want to say that learning English speaking is easy. It is not difficult at all. But you should not be lazy. You should do a little hard work to speak proper English. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video.